A quiet house on a Tuesday evening. The air smells of rain. A door is left slightly ajar. Inside, a nightlight hums. A 7-year-old's crayon lies on the cool tile floor. The cartoon on the screen is frozen in place. A chair is still warm to the touch. The reconstruction of a final moment always begins with these textures, the small, ordinary details that become haunting clues. Elsewhere, a traveler texts from an airport tram, promising a late check-in. But they never arrive. The lobby lamp burns past midnight. A clerk remembers a blue jacket. A driver swears it was gray. This is the central question in so many cases. Was it a kidnapping or an ambiguous vanishing? A disappearance shaped by chance and a brief, silent gap in time. One detail shifts, another blurs, and the entire investigation tilts on its axis. It's the disruption of routine that is most chilling. A sudden detour, a missed call, a brief moment of isolation. A vacationer steps out for toothpaste, telling a friend they'll be back in 5 minutes. Today, doorbell cameras and rideshare pings promise a new clarity. Yet the gaps persist. And it is in these gaps that fear takes root. Certainty feels within reach, but a few missing minutes can still decide an outcome. Experts note that while kidnappings often show signs of force, ambiguous disappearances more closely follow the patterns of habit until they suddenly break. Before dawn, the search begins. Footprints melt into the rain as volunteers move through brittle grass. Radios hiss. In a makeshift command center, coffee-ringed maps blur. The search starts wide, then narrows to what can be checked quickly. But promising leads often dissolve under scrutiny. A shoe print becomes mud from a lawn service. A truck sighting is just a misread logo. In these critical early hours, small mistakes expand, and memory, warped by adrenaline, turns a blue sweater to black. As investigators press timelines against alibis, they pull digital traces, turning pings into places and places into questions. Every possibility is mapped: targeted harm, an opportunistic crime, a voluntary departure, or a tragic misadventure. The clock is always ticking. Then the public eye turns to the case. A late-night online thread refreshes, a microphone glows, and speculation begins to spread. This attention can be a powerful tool, but it can also blind. A single viral post can warp a search before sunrise. This is why ethical storytelling is so critical, slowing the rush to judgment, centering the families, and correcting myths. Sharing official information and submitting tips through proper channels is how public attention helps rather than harms. Because in these cases, our attention always has consequences, turning a cold case into a burning priority or sending investigators down a path to nowhere.